stay outside. Oh, hey there, Super K here again, Cameron, here for a great workout today. I hope you've been having a great 2020. I know that 2020 has been off to a rocky start, even though we're in July. But as always, I'm here. I'm here for your advocacy, I'm here for your wellness, and I'm here for your fitness. Today, we're gonna be doing a HIIT cardio workout. It's gonna be a full body cardio workout. I know sometimes when I do my cardio workouts that they are focused on one aspect of the body, whether that be, focusing on the shoulders, focusing on that boot. Today, we're gonna do a full HIIT, everything. Do your legs, get you some shoulders, get you some chest, get you a little bit of ab work too. We're gonna get that heart rate really pumping today. It's gonna be great. I'm really excited. As you can tell, we're in a different setting. I planned this 100% to show you that you can do my workouts in any setting. No, just kidding, I'm at my mom's house. And so just showing you the space that I'm using is a lot less than a park. So you have no excuses unless you really can't work out. That if you're like, I have no space, this is a perfect example of a small space workout that you can do, no weights, quick 5 minutes, get it in, get it done. And I'm gonna show you at the end what my Apple Watch reading is so that you can see around the same amount if you I weigh about 170 pounds. Now my muscle mass ratio probably different than yours, but I'm gonna show you at the end of the workout how many calories you would burn with this workout. I think that's a cool addition and I'm excited to show you what it looks like. So let's hurry up and get started with this warm up so that we can get going with the workout. Yes, so I said a warm up. With a cardio workout, we're not gonna do a typical warm up. We're going to do some nice stretching. Nice, I always say I'm gonna stop using the word nice. But we're gonna do some quick stretches. We're a minute a stretch, but we're going to switch 30 seconds in and I will key you into when we're gonna switch. We're gonna get started in 5 seconds. We're just gonna do a quick hamstring stretch. So we're starting, we should have started. If you've never done this stretch, you're just gonna grab your foot and pull it towards your butt, trying to keep your 2 legs in line. If you need to, grab onto something, and you should really feel it right here, getting a fantastic or a robust stretch in. We're gonna switch in 3 seconds. 2, 1, switch to this leg, left leg, unless you started with your left leg, then you switch to your right leg. I always joke that, I don't stretch. I am probably the worst stretcher ever. It's just not something I like to do, but it's really important because it helps you avoid injury. Unless you're stretching too much, you're overstretching and you're hurting yourself. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go into our tricep stretch. This one feels good. I like this stretch. Make sure you're pulling into it. If you have your arms straight out to the back, you're not getting a stretch. You need to bring that arm down. I should have switched, sorry. Switch arms. Really pull through that stretch. Even as I'm stretching, I'm telling you stretching is good for you. I still don't enjoy stretching. Let me hit my timer real quick. Technical difficulties on the Western Front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another stretch. Oh, we're going to do toe touches. Wow. This is just good. It gets the back, it gets your quads, your boot. You can also keep your back straight and get a nice back stretch. Just let it know where your body is. This one actually helped me a lot. I had a really bad back injury. deadlifts, and this exercise, or this stretch really helped me get some of that pain, get some of that flexibility back. I still have no flexibility again. If you can, bring your feet together, it really helps. I used to be able to put both palms on the ground. As you can see, there's no flexibility there. But this stretch, if you just like let it pull, you'll feel the blood rush to your head too. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh gosh, see, even the back a little tight. So that's a quick stretch to get you ready for this cardio workout. We're just gonna get going in it. I will remember to start my watch so that you can see kind of the metrics, what to kind of expect. If you don't have a fancy fitness watch, this is just what you would expect if you're typically between the 160, 180 range. I'm a male, so that also is something to take into account. So you might have to add or subtract some calories, but this is kind of the ballpark. So we're gonna get started in just a quick second. See you on the flip side. I hope that you're feeling nice and limber after that nice, I say nice so much, I gotta work on it. After that great stretch, so we're gonna get started with squat jumps, do some plank up downs, high lows, switch kicks, in and out abs, and floor sprints. We're gonna get started in 4, 3, 2, 1 with our squat jumps. Again, this is 40 seconds on, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So depending on the amount of space you have, you're going to either jump forward more, or jump back more. I'm just doing a 1-and-1 because I feel like sometimes we forget to keep balanced. Insert Thanos move, knee. I did leg workout today. Okay. My legs are kind of tired. So plank up downs. I really like this workout and probably should have had a mat. But basically just going from a low plank to a high plank. If you need to, drop to your knees. I'm already out of breath. I forgot to swim. And we're starting. And it's still going. Sometimes you have technical difficulties. You just gotta roll. So even though you're going up and down, you really want to try to keep your core as flat as you can. Be gentle with your body, don't just drop down. See how I'm going nice and slow. And rest. These intervals will go by fast. That's the beauty of a HIIT workout. We're gonna do switch kicks. I'm gonna do more of a moderate, not a super fast switch kick. So I'm switching. If you're doing a beginning switch kick, you're gonna just be right here. If you're doing the advanced level, you're gonna really go for it. I'm not about that right now. Already did a workout today. We've done 2 workouts today. And as I say in all my videos, know your body. Know what you're capable of. This is a great workout. You lean forward, bring in your core, you tighten your core. Feels great. Sometimes. I'm out of breath already. I've already burned 13 calories and I started a workout late. So we're gonna get into in and out abs. We're gonna drop down to the floor again. We're almost in, we're 3 sets in. So, super fast workout. So in and out abs. So you can do wide in and out abs, or you can just, for the purpose of this, you're not just throwing your body around. You are, as you bring your knees in, you are engaging the core and tightening up You're pulling with your lower abs. And you're staying engaged. Oakley just threw a piece of bone at me. It's getting gross. Gross. I'm tired. Just wide ones. This is a 5-minute workout and I'm already like out of breath. Heart rate is at 128, which is right in my fat burning zone. Not in cardio, not in my VO2 max, just that great spot to be in for fat burning. Okay, so we're gonna do floor sprints. Some people call mountain climbers. I call them floor sprints because it sounds cooler. Keeping that back nice and straight. Making sure to tap my toes. Some people do floor sprints like this. No, you gotta bring your feet up, bring that knee up. Feel the burn in your shoulders. I've done Insanity and I've done T25, and this is always my least favorite workout because it's always at the end. So I thought I'll let you experience that too. Okay, so that was really fast. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. You know, with your 20-second cooldown, whatever you choose to do with that is your own. So even, see, I'm out of breath. I work out a lot, but even a minute spared. My Apple Watch, I don't know if you can see that, is showing that I burned 39 calories, 33 active. So active calories is, you know, the times that you're moving. Technology, amazing, right? It can detect when you're actually moving and what you're burning while you're working out. So the key to that is that within 4 minutes, I burned a good amount of calories. Now, if you want to keep going, you replay the video, you do another set. But 5 minutes of working out, most people aren't doing that right now. So just get off the couch, get motivated. I hope you liked this video. You know, with at least California gyms, if you're in an affected county, this is a great way to just get a quick workout in if you're feeling unmotivated. As I talked in my holistic view of wellness video, you have to have all the components of wellness to actually achieve wellness. So I am going to probably either jump in the pool or go shower because I feel disgusting right now. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm still out of breath. I gotta recover. Get that water, get what you need. I hope you have a great day. Cam out.